How to look up a transaction on the Valor Portal? Click on Transactions on the left navigation menu. View all transactions for all merchants and all devices. Click the down arrow next to All to search or filter by the device EPI, the MID, the transaction RRN number, the amount, the approval code, the virtual terminal invoice number, the subscription ID, or any one of these two added value services that can be added through the device parameters. You can search by using the search bar. Search or filter by approved transactions by checking the checkbox. On the top right-hand side, you will see additional preset date range filters or search options such as recent, today, month to date, yesterday, last month, current week, last 90 days from today, from the last 90 days going back 2 years. You can export all the data, customize your export and your view. Click on the Custom Configure button. You can change the order of the headers and remove different options by unchecking the checkbox. There are additional filter options. Click on the funnel icon to view options: transaction types, card types, devices, transaction modes, source types, processor types, and transaction statuses. Each row will provide you with the transaction details. Click the vertical ellipses for additional options, view the digital receipt, void a transaction, view the merchant's profile, and view the transaction log or audit log to see who is making changes to profiles. Click the hyperlink transaction type to view a pop-out of information, including a button to view the receipt, timestamp date, and status of the transaction. See all transaction details, all device details, all customer details, and all card details for the customer.